Southern Maine keeps showing up on every best places to retire list, but almost nobody is telling you what it's actually like to live here after the move. If you're dreaming about waking up near the water, walking to dinner, and finally feeling like you landed somewhere with real community, you're already thinking about this place. I'm here today at Shepards Cove, one of the best 55+ communities in all of Southern Maine. And at the end of this video, I'm taking you inside our latest listing, a beautiful end unit with some of the best views I've seen. Trust me, you're gonna wanna stick around for that. But before we get to the tour, I wanna talk about something most retirement videos completely skip over, and it's honestly the thing that matters most when you're making a move like this. Most retirees spend all of their time thinking about year one, the view from the porch, the lobster rolls, the quiet mornings. What they don't think about is year three, when the reality of where you actually live starts to matter a lot more than the scenery. And that's where Southern Maine does something that's genuinely hard to find. It holds up. You're not isolated, you're not choosing between beauty and convenience, you're actually getting both. Portsmouth is just minutes away, Portland is under an hour, Boston is 90 minutes down 95 on a good day, and if you need health care, which at some point we all will, York Hospital is right up the road, Maine Medical Center is in Portsmouth, and Portsmouth Regional and Wentworth Douglas are just across the bridge into New Hampshire. And that's not a small thing. A lot of beautiful places that are peaceful to retire will leave you driving over an hour and a half to see a specialist. And here in Southern Maine, you don't have to make that trade. And then there's the lifestyle itself, which is not what people expect when they picture retirement in New England. This isn't golf carts and early bird specials. People here are kayaking, hiking, hitting farmers markets, and walking to coffee. It's active, it's engaged, and when February rolls around and the coast is cold and quiet, the people who thrive here are the ones who came for the lifestyle, not just the postcard. And that's the difference between buying a view and buying into something that actually fits your life. And so the lifestyle holds up, the location holds up. Now the question becomes, where do you actually live when you get here? Because finding the right community in Southern Maine is a different conversation than most people expect. And if you don't know what you're looking at, it's easy to make a very expensive mistake. Here's something that catches a lot of people off guard when they start seriously looking in Southern Maine. True 55+ communities are rare here, not just hard to find, but rare. We're not talking about having a ton of options the way you'd see in a place like coastal Florida, where there's a development every 5 miles. Southern Maine has a small number of well-located, well-run communities, and when a unit comes available in one of the good ones, it doesn't sit. I've watched buyers say, we'll circle back to that one, and lose it within hours. That's just the reality of this market. And so when you are evaluating a community here, you need to know what you're actually looking at, because not all of them are built the same. Start with parking. Deeded parking, how many spaces, where guest parking is, sounds basic, but this comes up constantly and it matters more than people expect. And then look hard at the HOA. What's covered, what's not, and most importantly, what does the reserve fund look like? An underfunded reserve is a special assessment just waiting to happen, and you want to know that before you fall in love with the unit. Think about lock and leave livability. Is the building managed well? Is there security? If you're planning to spend part of the year somewhere else, does this place actually support that lifestyle, or is it going to be a headache every time you leave? And then the details that people always forget to ask about until it's too late. Pet policies, guest policies, rental restrictions. Know those up front, not after you've already made an emotional decision. When a community in this market checks all of those boxes, location, building quality, solid financials, and a lifestyle that fits, that combination is genuinely uncommon, which is exactly why the good ones don't stay available for long. And that's exactly what makes Shepards Cove worth talking about. I've sold a number of condos here, and this latest listing checks all of the boxes. Let me show you what I mean. All right, here we are at the booth bay. We're gonna show you inside because photos only tell part of the story. The orientation, the light, the way a space actually flows, you just can't get that from a listing on Zillow. And so let's do this right. We're here in Kittery, Maine, sitting right along Spruce Creek. And the first thing you notice when you pull up is that this community is well kept. not just maintained, actually cared for here in Shepards Cove. That's why it's one of my favorite communities here in Southern Maine. Now, before we even get inside, I want to call out something that sounds small but matters a lot in this market. This unit has two, not one, but two deeded parking spaces. And in a 55 and over community in Maine, at this price point, that is not a standard, that's a differentiator. And if you've ever dealt with parking drama in a condo situation, you know exactly why that matters. Now, come on inside. I want to show you inside the unit. So coming in through the building entry into the booth bay, this unit is on the second floor. You can either take the elevator or the staircase. It's accessible without feeling like you're on top of everything. All right, I know this is a small thing, but attention to detail is not missed at Shepards Cove. The lights turn on as you walk down the hall. Come check this out. Huh? I mean, pretty cool, right? All right, now let's go inside the unit. Now here we are in the living area, and this is where I'm gonna slow down for a second. This unit is a rear-facing unit, and what that means is Spruce Creek isn't just the view from one window, it literally follows you through the entire home. Living room, kitchen, primary bedroom, pretty much everywhere you turn, there's a water view, and that is not common here at Shepards Cove. That's the kind of thing you have to see in person to fully appreciate. And right here in the living room, you've got a natural gas fireplace, which in a Maine winter is not a luxury, it's a lifestyle upgrade. You just flip a switch, pour something warm, and watch the creek. That's a Tuesday in January, and it's pretty hard to complain about. Then you can step out onto the back deck, and now you're really getting it. This isn't a token outdoor space, it's a full deck with direct water views. Morning coffee out here is different. Evening glass of wine out here is different. It changes with the light, it changes with the seasons, and honestly, it really never gets old. And then into the kitchen, functional, well-appointed, plenty of cabinet space, granite countertops, and stainless steel appliances. And yes, you still have that water view from here too. The primary bedroom is where the unit really separates itself. Private, comfortable, an ensuite bath, and a large closet that actually handles real life, not just weekends. And then you've got a second bedroom. And so 2 bedrooms, 2 baths means people actually want to come visit. Your kids, your grandkids, your friends from back home, they have a real space, and that is not a given in this category. And now here's where Shepards Cove goes from a great unit to a genuinely exceptional community, because it's not just what's inside the walls. There's a boathouse and a dock right on Spruce Creek, and so if you've been thinking about getting a kayak, that infrastructure is already here. You don't have to figure it out, you just get on the water. And then there's the community center, and this one really surprised me when I first saw it. It's where we were in the beginning of the video. It's large, like legitimately huge. The kind of space where you can host a big group, a family gathering, a holiday party, without feeling like you're cramming people into a clubhouse. For a lot of retirees, that matters more than people admit, because this stage of life is supposed to be about more time with the people you love, and having a space that actually supports that makes a real difference. Rear-facing unit with water views from almost every room, natural gas fireplace, a deck you'll actually use, boathouse, dock, and a community center built for real entertaining. 7 minutes to Portsmouth, maintenance handled, neighbors who are in the exact same stage of life you are. That combination in this market is genuinely hard to find. I'm gonna be straight with you because that's kind of my thing. Southern Maine is not for everyone. Winters are real, cost of living has gone up. If you're looking for warm weather year-round or a rock bottom price point, there are better fits out there, and I'll be the first one to admit that. But if what you want is coastal beauty, an active lifestyle, a genuine sense of community, and a location that keeps you connected to everything while actually letting you exhale, that combination is very hard to replicate anywhere else on the East Coast. I've lived this, I talk to people every week who've made this move, and the ones who fit this place know it pretty quickly. If Shepards Cove caught your eye today, definitely reach out. The link is right in the description. We're happy to get you more details, answer questions, or set up a showing if the timing is right. And if you're still in research mode, that's completely fine. That's exactly why we make these videos. Stick around, hit that subscribe button, and watch this video here where we talk about the things that no one tells you when it comes to living in Maine.